When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and cared to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.